Hey, Mr. Wagner here. Happy snowy Tuesday. I hope all you guys are well. I want to go over a couple of things, just some clarity for assignments this week, and hopefully move on and get everybody on the right track. So let's go to Google Classroom. If you go to your Google Classroom and you'll see that, and you go to the classwork tab across the top, right? You'll see a couple of assignments down there. You'll have your distance learning week 2 with your assignments for the week. And then at the bottom is an important assignment. This is the week 2 quiz that you take. Only take this after you've completed all the work in the weekly worksheet. So if you click on this weekly worksheet and you open that document, you'll see that Monday log 20 minutes to your Strava account, and I'll go over that in a second. Let me get through this part. Tuesday, read this article, answer these questions, and answer these questions right on this document. Do not turn this document in until you're totally complete with it. Okay? Wednesday, here's a News ELA article with answering these questions. Thursday, again, another website and article. And then after you're done with this, then take the quiz. So on Friday it says take the Google quiz. So make sure that you get all of these assignments done first because the quiz is based off of these assignments. You can use this as a reference to take that quiz. Please do. But don't take that quiz until you've done these assignments. Otherwise the quiz probably won't make much sense to you. Okay, now talking about Strava, make sure that you are signed up for the club for the hour that you have gym. So remember to go on and use your Google profile, your school Google profile to create an account. And then remember you're going to go up to the search engine, pull down to clubs, and for whatever club that you're going to be in, if you are in, let's say, third hour, you would type in Grayling Middle School. You'd find the Grayling Middle School PE third hour, and you would join that club. So you would click on that, and then you would join that club. It'll take you to that page. That way, I can make sure that give you credit for any activity that you do. Okay, so then let's go back to your classroom page. So if you go to your classwork, your assignments for the week, right? So you'll have your distance learning assignment and that'll lay out the week, and then don't forget to take the quiz, all right? Make sure you're being active and maintaining activity and logging it on Strava. And aside from that, pray for some warm weather and let's make sure that we can get the opportunity to get outside. All right. If you have any questions, again, you can always email me, bwagner@casdk12.net. Hey, you guys have a great week.